This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. We are at the Motorcycle Riders Memorial of Illinois. And I don't know how many people know this is out here, but it's out on 37 between Benton and Mount Vernon, Illinois. Some of the sponsors. Looks like we got a lot of names on the wall here. Sure, if I look long enough, I'll find somebody I know. So anyway, we are doing a Cannonball race. This is a timed race, but it's also a navigational race with a twist. We're gonna have a few things you got to do along the way. One of them will be stopping at this memorial and taking a picture. Taking a selfie at with the memorial. This will be one of the stops on the way in between the main stops. Of course, we'll drop GPS locations on all these places and let everybody know. This Cannonball will be more or less, we don't want people out here running too fast for conditions and what have you. We want to make sure everybody's, staying within the speed limits and stuff like that. This is not a who gets there first race. It's who can get all the tasks done the fastest race. And make sure you hit all the spots. This is outside of Benton and on Highway 37. And we will be putting some more stops together today. So y'all hang out with us for the video here, and we'll see what we can get put together. We're trying to get this done. The race is going to be held on September 27th with a rain day of October 4th. So if it's raining and pouring on September 27th, the following Saturday on October 4th will be the next race day. So everybody get out your leathers, get your motorcycle gassed up, and let's go win some prizes.